The boy who was afraid to speak. Ravi was a quiet boy from a small village. He understood a little English, but he was always afraid to speak. In school, whenever the teacher asked a question in English, Ravi would look down. He knew the answer, but the fear inside him was stronger than his courage. One day, his teacher called him. "Ravi, why don't you speak in English?" she asked gently. Ravi hesitated. "Ma'am, I am scared. What if I make mistakes? Everyone will laugh." The teacher smiled kindly. "Ravi, listen carefully," she said. "Mistakes are not your enemy. They are your teachers." Ravi stayed silent, but her words stayed in his heart. That evening, Ravi made a decision. He stood in front of a mirror and tried to speak. My name is Ravi," he said slowly. He stopped, he felt awkward, he made mistakes, but he tried again. Every day, he practiced. He spoke to himself. He read simple sentences. Sometimes he failed, but he did not stop. Days turned into weeks. One day in class, the teacher asked, "Can anyone describe their favorite place?" The classroom was silent. Then, Ravi slowly raised his hand. His heart was beating fast. "Ma'am, I want to try," he said. The class turned toward him. Ravi took a deep breath. "My favorite place is my village," he began. "It is small, but it is very beautiful. I love the fresh air and the people there." His voice was not perfect. His grammar was not perfect, but his courage was real. When he finished, the class was quiet for a moment. Then everyone started clapping. The teacher smiled proudly. That day, Ravi understood something important. You don't need perfect English to start. You need courage. And from that day on, Ravi was never afraid to speak again. Moral of the story: don't wait to be perfect. Start speaking and perfection will follow.